I created this particular text effect using AI. No laptop, no photopea. Hello everyone, my name is Trust GBC. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop any interesting videos like this, YouTube will notify you. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I created this particular text effect using AI. So first thing first, come over to your Pinterest. This is my Pinterest. So open your Pinterest and then you search PSD text effect. Then click on search, and here are many text effects you can find. These are just the pictures, so here are many of them. So I love this one. I love this particular one. So what should I do now? I'll click on this and I'll click on download image. As you can see, image downloaded. So after you've downloaded the particular image of the text effect you want to use for your design, the next thing you do now is come over to your Play Store and download this application. So this is the particular application we are going to be using for this particular text effect. So come over to Play Store and download Google Gemini. So after you've downloaded it, you click on open like this and allow it to load. So this is it. Hello Trust. This is how the interface looks like. So the next thing you do now is go back to your gallery. So yeah, this is my gallery, and this is the particular text effect we just downloaded from Pinterest. This is a PNG text effect. This is just a PNG image. So what you do next is click on edit and then click on crop it like this and like this. Just follow me. Let me show you exactly how I did this particular text effect without Photoshop. So click on save, and then this is what we have. So go back to your Gemini and click on this plus icon here. Click on it like this and then click on gallery. So let's import the particular text effect I downloaded from Pinterest. So yeah, this is it. So what next? Click on this. Maintaining the style mockup. Change the name to Trust. Input this particular prompt. Maintaining the style mockup. Change the name to Trust, and then click on send. So now let's wait for it to generate. Just a few seconds and boom, this is what we have. This is how I created this particular text effect without Photoshop or Photopea. So this is what we got. You can click on it and click on download. Maybe you remove the background and then that is it. So in case the resolution is not that high, you can just come here and input this. Make it HD quality and then send. So yeah, this is what we got. So this is the text effect and this is our reference. So you can see that there is no much difference. So you can go ahead and download it. Now let's try it out on another particular text effect. So I love this particular one. What I will do here is I'll click on this, click on crop, and then crop it like this. You can see it. Then click on save and then come back to your app, which is this. Then click on this plus icon, click on gallery, and then let's import it. So you can see it. maintaining the style mockup, change the name to Trust. Then let's click on send and see what Gemini will generate for us. Just a second, we have to wait. Wow, very excellent. So one thing I love about this, some persons can use ChatGPT, which is not bad, but I prefer Gemini to ChatGPT because of the speed and everything. I prefer this particular one. So this is it. There is not much difference. This is our reference and this is the text effect. So if you don't have laptop to generate your PSD text effect, or if you can't use Photopea or your phone can't carry Photopea, I think this is the best option for you. So let's try it out with another text effect and see what we got. Now you can do the same thing. Click on this and then select it. Then come here and write the same thing. Maintaining the style markup, change the name to Trust. Then click on send. Now we have to wait for it to load. So this is it. This is it. This is close to perfect. So I'll click on this and downloading full size image downloaded very fast. I'll click on this and do the same thing. Then I'll come here, click on this and then do the same thing as well. So this is it. So go ahead, download your Gemini, go to Pinterest, do exactly the way I showed you in this particular video. Try this out and let me know if it worked for you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting videos like this. I'll see you on the next one.